When you started, आपने बहुत सारे रोमांटिक फिल्म्स किए थे, बट रोमांटिक फिल्म्स आपने अभी थोड़े कम कर दिए हैं. एंड अगर हम एकता कपूर की बात करें, शी इज सच अ क्रिएटिव पर्सनालिटी. सो हाउ वाज इट ग्रोइंग अप विथ हर? If we talk about your personal life. हेलो एंड वेलकम टू RVCJ मूवीज. दिस इज योर होस्ट यशस्वी सिंह और आज हमारे साथ है एक ऐसे एक्टर जो बिना डायलॉग्स के भी आपको हंसा देते हैं. रोमांस, थ्रिलर, कॉमेडी, ही हैज डन इट ऑल. सो टुडे आई फील वेरी लकी to welcome the very talented Tushar Kapoor.
Thank you.
First of all, a very big congratulations on completing 25 years in the industry.
Yes, yes.
How does it feel?
He's like, I'm old.
No?
No, yeah, kind of, but it's been so fast that I feel like there's still miles to go.
From मुझे कुछ कहना है to now welcome to the jungle. What is that one memory stays with you?
There's not just one memory.
Yeah.
There's no one memory. There are like multiple memories. So what stays with me is that I'm still that little nervous newcomer. Every time a movie releases, I still fear what's going to happen, and I still have the excitement and anxiety of somebody who's just debuted. Yeah.
After 25 years?
Yes, I can't be chilled out about a film releasing.
Oh.
But that's a good part about it also, that you still have that hunger for
Yeah.
a good outcome, for the love that we aspire for from the audiences. So that hasn't changed. Yeah, that's one memory that will always be there. Yeah.
Okay, one advice अगर आपको अपने आप को देना होता 25 years पहले जो young तुषार जब बॉलीवुड में डेब्यू कर रहे थे, तो one advice.
मैं यही कहता अपने आप से कि ज़्यादा मत सोचो, काम करते रहो. जो चलना है चलेगी, जो नहीं चलना है नहीं चलेगी. आपका काम है काम अच्छे तरीके से करना. ज़्यादा सोचो मत, ज़्यादा घबराओ मत. And just don't worry, be happy.
So welcome to the jungle के रिलीज से पहले भी were you nervous as you said?
Yes, of course I was nervous because we'd been shooting this film for 2.5 years, and then finally the teaser came, then the trailer came, and we were hoping for the best, fingers crossed, and it's a big film.
Yes.
So of course I was nervous. As I said, that nervousness never goes. You can try to be very cool and very chilled out, but at the end of the day, it's very unpredictable, na?
Yes.
Movie business is not something that we can predict.
But people are loving it.
So that makes the joy even more. Because I was nervous, because I was anxious, I'm so happy now. If I couldn't care less about a film's release, then I think even the success of the film would be like blah. Chalo, tell me something I don't know. But it's something I definitely didn't know I was hoping for. But it's a pleasant surprise, and thank you to the audiences.
But when you're working for a film like Welcome to the Jungle with such an ensemble cast जिसमें इतने सारे बड़े stars हैं, so how is the energy? Set पर कैसी energy रहती है? सारे अलग personalities एक साथ.
When we'd come together, obviously we were like a good collective energy, but otherwise everybody was just chilling out, doing their own thing. एक जैसे के साथ बैठा है, इतने सारे लोग आते थे साथ में, तो सब अपने अपने कंफर्ट जोन में बैठा करते थे. लंच टाइम हम लोग कभी कभी साथ में खाते थे. So a lot of camaraderie, and it was literally like a bunch of school kids have come back together, like a reunion of old pals. तो काम कर रहे हैं वैसा लगता नहीं था. मतलब हम लोग सोचते थे कि वेलकम ही शूट कर रहे हैं, मतलब कि जा रहे हैं अपने दोस्तों से मिलने, बीच में थोड़ा बहुत काम कर लेंगे, वैसा ही होता था. क्योंकि इतने लोगों के साथ आई थिंक शॉट्स टाइम लगते थे, शॉट्स को होने में, सीन्स कंप्लीट होने में टाइम लगता था. So we would chill in between, we would hang in the van, or we would be talking to some co-actors on set. All my friends are there. So, and then Mehmet would call us, we'd go on the mark, give our shot, वापस आते थे, वापस गप्पे मारते थे.
मस्ती मजाक.
Full on.
But अक्षय कुमार is known for his discipline. तो वो वहाँ पे थोड़े से disciplined थे या फिर आपके एनर्जी में वो भी एकदम chilled माहौल रहता था सेट पर?
Everyone was disciplined when Ahmed needed us to be disciplined. But it's like when the setup होता था या फिर break होता था या फिर कोई gap आता था बीच में, then we would मस्ती मजाक करते थे. लेकिन जब हम short दे रहे होते थे, we'd be very disciplined. But I think it's good to be to have a little bit of masti on set with so many people. थोड़ा easy हो जाता है atmosphere, and people open up more. And he's the star face of the film, him and Sunil sir.
Yeah.
So when they would crack a joke or they would, you know, play a prank,
Were
then
there
we'd all
pranks?
become easier, we'd all be happier, we'd all be more comfortable. Otherwise, you know, you becomes very tense, the atmosphere, which is not good.
Yes. Were there pranks? Pranks तो बहुत सारे हुए
Not
होंगे।
really any pranks, but हंसी मजाक बहुत होता
हंसी मजाक
Yeah,
बहुत होता।
yeah.
I have a quick game for you जिसमें I want to know कि क्या माहौल रहता था। I'll just give you tags and you have to tell कि कौन सा actor वो था in the
From the film.
from the film of
Yeah.
Welcome to the Jungle. So who was the biggest prankster?
Akshay sir, of course.
Who was always the first to reach the set?
Me.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh,
That's what they said. That's what they
okay.
would say. You're the first one to reach the set always.
Okay, so you are very
मैं
punctual
कितनी
in
बार
life.
आके मैं वापस चला जाता बाद में क्योंकि दूसरा आया नहीं कोई
हाँ।
टाइम लग रहा है कोई रेडी हो रहा है तो मैं वापस जाता था मैं वापस आता था
So you're very punctual.
वेरी
like-
पंक्चुअल या
Okay, nice. Who was the late comer?
देयर वाज नो
फिर भी कोई तो होगा जो लेट आता होगा.
maybe Daler Paji not late but he was always required a little late. Yeah.
Okay. Who laughed the most during the takes?
Nobody laughed. No.
Nobody laughed?
During the takes nobody
Yeah.
will laugh.
No, but still, when you're doing a film, जो
In between takes I would say Shreyas would laugh the most. Shreyas is always laughing. Yeah.
Okay.
During the take nobody will laugh.
हाँ. Who forgets their dialogues the most?
Nobody.
Nobody?
Nobody. Maybe Arshad, I can say that. Because he's very spontaneous. So he's not very bound by dialogues.
Okay.
But he's not forgetful, I would say. He wouldn't forget, but
Improvise.
yeah, he would improvise the most. Yeah.
Who had the best sense of humor? Off camera.
I think the biggest mastikor off camera in the fact in the sense that who were I think Krishna. For me it was Krishna.
Oh, nice.
I used to hang a lot with him, so he used to really entertain me.
Okay, who kept everyone's energy high?
Rajpal Yadav.
Rajpal Yadav.
Always jumping around, always on a he's always like very positive but always doing something slapstick.
Who ordered the most food?
Jacqueline.
Seriously?
I know all the new restaurants in Bombay because she used to order food. Near me, I'm saying there must have been somebody else ordering the most food.
Okay, who clicked the most selfies?
I think Disha must have clicked the most selfies, yeah. Because I've seen that on them on Insta now. You know, all those selfies are now coming on Insta.
Yes. So are you like a social media person?
I am a social media person, but I don't click too many pictures on set, etc. I'm a little lazy that way. But I
Okay.
think Disha ki bahut aa rahe hain abhi selfies. Yeah.
Okay.
Between her and Ravina, yeah.
Who was the biggest perfectionist?
Lara,
Lara.
yeah, she's very proper. And her character is such, no?
Yes.
She's playing that army officer.
So finally, who gave the best advice?
Paresh ji, for me it was always, I've given you a different answer for everything.
Yes.
And I'm giving you all the Paresh ji because I used to always ask him about, he has that experience, no? So I said, Paresh ji, time लग रहा है, picture को time लग रही है, मतलब इतने सारे लोग हैं, logistically, सब होना है जो होना है हो जाएगा. You know, he had the
So,
best
what
words of wisdom.
One advice that you remember, you can recall right now? Abhi.
One masti wala advice he gave me, he said that whatever time you're called, you leave that time from home. Because otherwise you'll be early.
Okay, you're
जैसे कि 9 बजे बुलाया तो 9 बजे घर से निकलना.
आप genuinely इतने ज़्यादा punctual हो in life?
नहीं, he's saying जब जो टाइम पे आपको बुलाया वो टाइम पे घर से निकलना.
हाँ, ताकि आप जल्दी ना आ जाओ.
हाँ, yeah.
So in life you're so punctual and this.
Yeah. I'm late but I'm always before time.
How are you like this? मतलब जितेंद्र सर का थोड़ा ऐसा रहा है या?
But there were more actors who were coming before me also. So I was not over punctual. But I was punctual enough.
And आपके लाइफ से जो एक कैरेक्टर है जो कोई नहीं भूल सकता है, that is of course Lucky. गोलमाल 5 भी आने वाली है.
Yes.
So उसके बारे में बताइए कि क्या होने वाला है इसमें?
क्या होने वाला है मतलब आपको टीजर तो आपने देखा होगा ना टीजर में.
Yes.
There is a character that is coming back into the film.
Yes.
His name is Sharman Joshi, Lakshman ka character. And there is a character played by Akshay sir also in the film. I can't tell you what they are, but I think the teaser is the right information, right amount of information that you can take at this point.
तुषार कपूर ये नाम सुनते ये जो एक कैरेक्टर है लकी का कैरेक्टर वो हमारे दिमाग में बहुत ज्यादा आता है. तो how close that character is to you?
It's close to me, but now I get a little scared also कि अभी क्या expect कर रहे हैं लोग इस character से. You know, because every time Rohit is giving me something different. So now the expectations are also high. So am I going to be able to live up to those expectations? तो मैं कभी इस कैरेक्टर को टेकन फॉर ग्रांटेड लेता नहीं हूँ. आई ऑलवेज ट्राई टू गिव माई बेस्ट. आई ऑलवेज फील लाइक अभी आई हैव टू up the ante. I have to do something more this time. It keeps me on my toes, this character.
बट अगर हम एकदम स्टार्ट में जाए जब इस गोलमाल 1 पे, तो फिर ये कैरेक्टर में इम्प्रोवाइज बहुत ज़्यादा हुआ था. आपके लिए ये कैरेक्टर कैसा था when you got to know about this?
Initially, I was wondering how I'm going to do it because I thought that silent है character तो
Exactly.
sign language use करना पड़ेगा. I'll have to learn that. कैसे करूँगा, क्या होगा, comedy कैसे होगा इस character में
Exactly.
with sign language. But then when Vikas Kadam, he's a theatre actor, when he came into my life, Sharman suggested him. When he did a workshop with me, then we did it very differently. Then we decided to make him a character that isn't deaf. He's mute. But he can hear, so he knows what sounds are like. तो वो sounds निकालने की कोशिश करेगा. He knows what phonics are. And वो अपने तरीके से बहुत बोलता है.
हाँ.
And then उसके expressions, body language. So we wanted to give it a different twist. So that was a discovery for me. I didn't expect to play this character in the manner which Rohit and Vikas thought about. And that happened, which was good because people accepted the character.
एंड आपने ये इमेजिन किया था ये इतना आइकॉनिक बन जाएगा जब शूट कर रहे थे उस टाइम पे?
नो, बट एक आइडिया आ रहा था कि कुछ अलग हो रहा है. तो जब भी आप कुछ अलग करते हैं, कुछ चैलेंजिंग अटेम्प्ट करते हैं, द आउटकम इज ऑलवेज गुड. So I knew that the outcome will be good because we had done our homework and we were crossing all the T's and dotting all the I's as far as this character is concerned. So there कोई कसर हमने छोड़ी नहीं on set. तो अच्छा ही आउटकम होगा ये तो पता था, लेकिन एक हाउस होल्ड नेम बन जाऊंगा मैं इस कैरेक्टर से. चिल्ड्रन, फैमिलीज को भी पसंद आएगा ये कैरेक्टर. आई डिडंट नो दैट.
And how difficult it is to do that?
Every time it's something new that this character has to come out with. So Rohit gives me a scene or some angle to the character which is more challenging than before. So every time it's like a new character for me in a sense.
Okay, can we hear it live? तब थोड़ा सा अगर उस स्टाइल में, लकी के स्टाइल में.
You
खत्म नहीं. It's really good the way you do it. हमें बहुत मजा आता है आपको इस कैरेक्टर स्पेशली.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट ऑल्सो आप एक अलग जॉनर में पॉलिटिकल ड्रामा एक आपकी फिल्म आ रही है. Just tell us about that.
Yeah, that's a political thriller and that is again very serious, very different zone, but a very entertaining film and a very intelligent film, just like how Prakash Raj ji's movies are. And as you would say, a commercial film, which is an intelligent film for the common man. So it's a very commercially entertaining thriller, but a serious film at the same time. That's all I can say. I'm playing an MLA, which I've never done before.
Wow.
So it's going to be a realistic character.
Realistic character. What do you enjoy the most? Which genre? Romantic, comedy,
To watch or to perform?
to perform?
Everything. I think it should be something that challenges me. It should be something that, inspires me to go to work every day. Every genre. As long as the people I'm working with I like. As long as the script is good. As long as the people I'm working with are passionate about the film they're making. I like every genre. But to watch, I like crime dramas, thrillers.
Oh, thrillers.
Yeah.
When you started, आपने बहुत सारे romantic films किए थे, but romantic films आपने अभी थोड़े कम कर दिए हैं. So
I don't know. I think जो ऑडियंस पसंद करती है वैसे ही रोज लिखे जाते हैं आपके लिए. एंड अगर ऑफर की जाएगी कोई अच्छी हो रोमांटिक फिल्म, आई वुड डू इट. बट सादा रोमांटिक फिल्में आज लोग पसंद कर भी नहीं रहे. दे वांट समथिंग मोर रियल, समथिंग मोर मिट्टी से जुड़ी हुई, समथिंग मोर ग्रिटी, समथिंग हार्ड हिटिंग. वी लिविंग इन टॉक्सिक टाइम्स, सो दोज very candy floss fairy tale romances, I don't know if people would accept that today.
if we talk about your personal life,
Like obsession.
obsession of course, obsession का तो craze इंडिया में भी बहुत
Yes,
ज़्यादा है. So if we talk about your personal life, you chose to be a single father. So ये decision काफी different है. So what was the reason behind that?
There was no reason. It was just a natural progression to becoming a single father. I happened to meet somebody who helped me understand that there is a process that can make this possible legally, and people have done it. So I was ready to become a father. I was 40, I was nearing 40 at that time, and I said, okay, this is the right time to do it, and I did it. Yeah,
How does it feel to be a single father over these years? Parenting कितनी difficult है या कैसा लगता है?
it feels very fulfilling.
हाँ,
It's parenting it's a consuming role to play, but it's the greatest of all joys.
Yes.
That's if you want to become a parent, and that's if you have done it without any compulsion. So for me, it was something that came to me naturally at that point of time and at that age and time in my life. So I relish every day as a single parent, as a parent basically, whether single or not. The point is to relish the fact that you are a father and you have someone to care for, something to look forward to, and someone to love. That is the greatest joy of my life, and that completes me, makes me feel like I'm a complete man now. Yeah.
In general, in society, लोग एक companion, एक partner चाहते हैं. So ये आपके life में ये decision ये मेरा
That I guess is not in my hands. I think when I find the right life partner will happen to me when it has to happen to me. So I'm not the master of my game in that sense. I think personal life is something that we can you can be on the lookout for it, but you cannot really manifest it when unless the universe
So do you
decides.
wish for that?
Of course, I'm not lonely at all. I'm swamped with a lot of work, and I have my own family, my son
Of course.
and my parents.
Of
So I don't have any reason to complain.
I ask about the 5 qualities that you would look for in a partner, then what would it?
Loyalty is the number one. Compatibility.
Compatibility,
Uh, mm, mm, Patience.
patience.
Yes.
Okay.
At this age, obviously now patience, maturity,
Maturity.
and that's it. 4. Fifth
Four?
one would be coolness. Let's look at that.
Coolness?
Funny, sense of humor.
अगर आपके फैमिली की बात करें, you come from a filmy family. So how are the discussions like the family dinners में फिल्मी बातें होती है?
We don't eat together. I don't live
eat
with my
together.
parents. I live separately.
Okay.
So we don't eat together. So the 3 of them are very united. I'm the one who's away.
What's the reason behind that?
No, we all moved into a new place because there was renovation work, and then my family moved back, and I decided to stay back in the new place,
Okay.
which is, yeah. So I wanted to just be on my own with my son.
Okay.
Yeah, and we meet on occasions. I mean, almost every day, but we don't eat together.
When you meet, how are the discussions like? Is it like कि
We are on this family group chat, so we're discussing the whole day.
filmy discussions about projects, about work?
Not really.
or-
It's only
or
about
this, the
relatives,
person?
or it's about health.
Mhm.
I'm always catching up with my family and inquiring about their health, about the kids. We talk mostly about the kids. We don't talk about movies.
You don't talk.
We talk, if sometimes we talk about our work, like my father will compliment something, or mother will find something on Insta and she'll put it up on the group. But we don't really sit and analyze each other's work. Yeah.
And अगर हम एकता कपूर की बात करें, she's such a creative personality. So how was it growing up with her?
She was like a sister. She was my older sister. So we fought a lot. And we're two opposite ends of the spectrum. We're like North Pole and South Pole.
ऐसा
They're very different personalities.
very different.
Yes, so we used to very badly fight like cats and dogs, and we're 1.5 year apart, no? So we used to share the same room, share the same car to go to school, go together to all the birthday parties. We have the same building friends. So झगड़े तो होते ही हैं हर भाई बहन में.
So who was the more introvert or
I'm the introvert, yeah. She's
And
the
she was the
yes,
extrovert.
Yes. But I used to fight more. I used to hit more. Yeah.
and अभी वो change हुआ है या अभी भी थोड़ी नोकझोंक होती है?
No. Now we are like we give each other space, and we know what to say, what not to say.
हाँ, of course. वो भाई बहन का एक रिश्ता
Yes.
बहुत प्योर होता है.
Yes, yes,
Of course, that is there. So एक और गेम मैं आपके साथ खेलना चाहती हूँ. I will give you names and उनके लिए आपको बस एक नाम बताना है. अक्षय कुमार.
Professional.
Professional?
Yeah. एक word, ना?
Yes.
Yeah,
one word.
professional.
सुनील शेट्टी.
Mature.
परेश रावल.
Entertaining.
अरशद वारसी.
Sweet.
श्रेयस तलपड़े.
Shreya Thalpade, what do I say? Sincere.
Sincere. जॉनी लीवर.
Amazing.
Jacqueline Fernandez.
Healthy.
Disha Patni.
She gorgeous.
Ravina Tandon.
Gorgeous.
दोनों gorgeous.
Yeah.
Lara Datta.
Friend.
Friend. Kiku Sharda.
Down to earth.
Ajay Devgan.
Chilled out.
Rohit Shetty.
Focused.
And lastly, Jitendra sir.
Patient.
Patient.
Yeah.
And मतलब वो patience आपके अंदर भी जो है वो जितेंद्र सर की वजह से I guess.
I guess so, yeah.
And अगर हम आपके इस साल के मोटो के बारे में बात करें, the thing that you're manifesting for 2026, ऐसा कुछ specific.
No manifestations, just trying to be the best version of myself and try to do as much work as possible, keep coming out with more and more films and manifesting Golmaal 5 for 2025, 2026, 2027.
27 yes.
27 की बात करें अभी तो 26 में है ना
26 हाँ
26 में I think जो जनादेश and 27 में Golmaal 5.
So many big projects coming, so very big congratulations.
Thank
for
you,
all
thank
these
you,
projects.
thank you. Hi, this is Tushar here and you are watching me on RVCJ Movies.
Thank you so much for this conversation.
Thank
Had a
you.
lovely talk
Thank
with
you.
you.